You can expect a lot from the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and much more. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.